Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on How Logical. In this video, I will show you how you can get logged into your Netspend All Access card. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up any web browser on your PC. And now search for netspendallaccess.com and press enter on your keyboard. And once you search for it, you will directly taken to its official homepage. Now from the homepage, tap on login button at the top panel of your screen. Now once you tap on it, you will directly taken to its login page. Now here you have to type in your username and password of your account. And if in case you have either forget your username or password, you can retrieve it by tapping on forget your username or password link. Now if you want your username to be remembered by the system, you can tick this square box so that you don't have to manually type in your username in your next visit. But if you're using others device or the public device, then make sure to uncheck this box or leave this box as it is. Now once you're done with typing in your account details correctly, tap on login button. And once you tap on login button, you will get logged in to your Netspend All Access credit card account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.